Today we pose the question whether there is such a thing as race. What does race really mean, and does it exist? According to Ernst Mayr, what is characteristic of a geographic race is that it is restricted to a geographic location and it is part of a larger subspecies. However, individuals display more genetic variation than populations, supporting the concept that race is a cultural term. It is also unclear if geographic variation is continuous or discontinuous, and races are defined as populations that are almost going to become different species, but are almost there. Recent research displays that FST is a measure of genetic differences sharply increases as the number of individuals decrease, regardless of the populations they are from. When 100 markers were compared among 23 populations, FST sharply decreased to 0.095. Genetic diversity is the highest in Africa. It decreases as distance from Africa increases, most likely due to repeated founder effects. This means that most human alleles would be present at different frequencies throughout the world. Human alleles have a cosmopolitan distribution. There is a clearer distribution of alleles along the same chromosome. However, only a tiny portion of them are continent-specific, further disproving the common conception of race. As a population, we display little genetic variation as a whole, suggesting that historically we had much smaller population sizes. Classifying people based on skin color is simply illogical. The trait of skin color involves over 70 genes and doesn't always indicate shared ancestry. Pigmentation is a trait evolved under selective pressure. This causes people in southern India, Australia, and sub-Saharan Africa to all have dark skins, even though they occurred in different areas of evolutionary trees. Genetic distances of these populations vary extremely, so skin color shouldn't be the common denominator. Race is a social construct simply because the majority of modern human genetic diversity is accounted for between individuals within the same geographical area, while only a small amount of diversity is found between continents, 87.6% and 9.2% respectively.